So it's one thing being a lawyer working in this sector, but you also need to know the sector. You need to know how care services operate, and then you can actually have an informed dialogue with a particular client. Because there could be hundreds of issues in a case, but you can boil it down to perhaps 10 or 15 issues. It's very much a forensic piece of work that we do with the client working in partnership. My name's Neil Grant. I'm a partner at Gordon's Partnership Solicitors based in Guildford. The inspiration, I think, really for wanting to become a health and social care lawyer really stems from my family. My mother is a nurse, my sister, and also my sister-in-law. After I qualified, I joined a firm which was doing health and social community care law, and that's where I started in the sector, acting in those days for both providers and registration authorities. Very often we get clients come to us that are faced with a regulatory issue, which is potentially existential as far as their business is concerned. It could be a proposal to cancel their registration, for example. So what we do, we step in, we obviously try and provide that stability and calm, and we put in place a strategy and a plan, and we work through it. And a key to it, I think, is responsiveness and getting on top of the facts and the evidence, because it's absolutely crucial that we know exactly what the case is, and then we can define the strategy appropriately.
We understand that it can be very emotive for clients. It's their business, it's their life, and often we try to help clients communicate with the regulator, because no matter what we say or do, clients are going to have to work with the regulator going forwards. What we do is we take a step back and we review what the tone should be, and we take the approach that we feel tactically is the best one for the client in the long term.
I've had the benefit of acting for regulators in the past, but now I only act for providers. I do feel a motivation to the best of my ability ensure that my clients do sort of flourish, do succeed as businesses in the interests of service users, their staff and their communities. Legal services are essential in any business, but particularly so in relation to care services. At Gordon's, we'd be happy to have a no-obligation conversation with you, and we cover the whole of England and Wales as well. So please do feel free to contact us, and we'd be happy to discuss your issue.